Hi all, want to do an unboxing of the Jackery Solar Saga 200. I haven't seen much of it online. I don't know whether you have. I checked YouTube and I didn't see any unboxings of it. So I want to sort of see what it looks like, see how it connects, eventually see how it performs. And there'll be another video, but so it has a obviously 200 watts, 19 volts, 10.53 amps. It says that it can operate within 14 degrees Fahrenheit and 149 degrees Fahrenheit. That's the temperature of the panels, not the ambient temperature, obviously. So that would, the panels would be hotter than the air temperature based on the angle of the sun, obviously the air temperature, and also just how much wind there is, things of that nature. I guess let's go do an unboxing. I already unboxed one. I set it up in the backyard, so just so it'd be fast. I sort of have an idea just what to expect, and so sort of see. This here is the Jackery 1500, which we'll also do an unboxing of in another video. So this is what you get. Two panels come in a box. I got the solar generator, which includes solar panels and the power pack there, the 1500. You get it in 3 boxes, so just heads up on that. And you only get 2 boxes or 1 box, and the rest of it's not there. It's coming in another shipment. So these are big, all right, and they're heavy. They're 70.5 pounds, all right, each solar panel. So I'm not sure what the 100 watts are. I'm getting those in the second shipment, but I decided with my 1500 to go 2 200 watts and 2 100 watts, so I can maximize the 600 watts that are that go into the 1500. The 2000 generator takes in 800 watts, 400 in each port. So that's why they recommend you get 4 of the 200 watt panels. They generally sell 4 100s in the pack that Jackery recommends. For the 1500, that only gives you 400 watts in, where the Jackery 1500 accepts 300 in each port. So I decided to go 2 200s and 2 100s. So I'll go 100 and 200 in the one of the ports, and 100 and 200 in the second port, so that way I can maximize my power. So let's go ahead and open this. All right, so right off the bat, this has got a case. I'm not sure if the 100s do, but it's got a beautiful case. Look at that. Velcro here too, a little snap. Alright. Woo! So 17.5 pounds. So I'm not seeing a USB here. Alright? There's no inputs here. Magnetic. Nice magnet though, I'll close it. No USB here. Right here is the output. There's a little door here to keep the dust out. And this is how you would connect it to your solar generator. But yeah, one of the nice features about the Jackery 100s is it has a USB that you can plug your USBs directly from the solar panel. So I'm not seeing that. So this has got a texture on the panel here. Real nice quality. It's actually definitely textured. It's got 3 kickstands. I'll show you back here. Got 1 here, 2 here. You don't have 1 on this one. And the other outside, you have a kickstand over here. But again, there's no USBs here. None on the other side. So yeah, there's just 1 port for you to get the power to your solar generator. There's no USBs. So I don't know whether they'll change that with subsequent models like they did with the 100. But so yeah, so that is 7.5 pounds. So that's the Jackery 200. It's not too heavy. It's not too wide here. It's definitely very portable. I love this case. It's a nice quality case. And you've got this, what's this zipper here? Probably has cables, I'd imagine, right? So this has got just this. It's got your warranty and your user manual, your user guide, and you got some cables here. So let's see what's in this bag here. I haven't opened this, so let's see what's going on here. You got your extra 12 months extended warranty, so I think it'll extend it to 3 total years if you turn in that card. Normally it's 2. You've got, oh, this is advertisement, your user's guide. Let's see, safety tips, customer service numbers, warranty, since 24 months. Once you get an extra month, you turn that thing in. Frequently asked questions: how do you clean your solar panels? The damp cloth. Let's see. Are your foldable solar modules waterproof? Yes. The product meets IP67 waterproof, which maximizes the lifespan of the module if, then it says it should not get wet. So, you tell me what's what. So that's that. And then it should not get wet, but it's waterproof. Fine. So you can try it with your panels and see what happens and let me know, okay? Oh, so here you go. So here's the 8mm to 8mm small. So 8mm small to 8mm large adapters. This is to, as you notice from watching other videos, this is to connect one panel into one of the 2 ports of your Jackery, because your Jackery 1500 and 2000 has 2 ports coming in for you to charge from. And you can charge it from DC, you can charge it from AC, this is house, DC, this is car. You can charge it from your solar panels. You can mix those up and do 2 different ways, DC and solar, AC and solar, DC and AC. You can change how you bring power into your solar generator, but this here allows you to bring one panel into one of the ports. If you want to use 2 panels, I'm guessing that the Y connector is inside here, and that will have a way to connect 2 panels into one port. And this here is your, this would be your output into your solar panels. This here would be your adapter into your solar generator. All right, so let's go outside and let's see what it looks like outside. All right, so this is the Jackery 200 solar panels, Solar Sagas. It is 7 feet 8 inches, 8.5 inches in total length. It is the width is 21.5 inches. It weighs, as we said before, 17.5 pounds. So 7 feet 8 inches or 8.5 inches in length, 21.5 inches in width, weighing 17.5 pounds. It's got 3 kickstands, 1, 2, 3. Obviously, as I mentioned before, it doesn't have one in the middle. It seems fairly stable. You can change the angle if you want it more steep. You know, you can bring it here if the sun's lower in the sky. Perhaps live, I don't know, up north, Washington. This is Los Angeles. This is how you connect it. As you mentioned before, there's just one port here. So it has a little groove here. You just put it in to here. That's your 8mm adapter connected to the plug here. And that goes into your solar generator. Well, I have a 1500, which has 2 ports. The 2000 also has 2 ports. Anybody out there has the 1000, which is, these 200-watt panels will also work on the Jackery 1000. I was told by the reps at Jackery. So we're working on 3 different types of solar power stations: the Jackery 1000, the Jackery 1500, and the Jackery 2000. Okay, so they all have this adapter. At least the 1500 and 2000 needs to have this adapter to get from the 8mm small, which these solar panels use, to the 8mm large, with the 1500 and 2000 watt ports are. All right. So to me, this is just another way to get power through the sun. It's quieter. You don't have to have the fuel. The gas generators are just really big, so it's just another way to get power. I have a second way, because I was told once by somebody, if you don't have two answers to a problem, you don't have any answers. You should always have a backup plan. So my backup plan is I have a Krieger 2000 watt inverter from a truck, so it converts the DC to AC, and it has USBs directly from the inverter as well. And but you have to have your car running. I have to have my truck running in order to get that power. So it's another way of doing it. I can generate power. I've done it before in power outages where I've powered my residential refrigerator and my freezer in my garage, powered up both my smaller Jackeries I have, all of our cell phones, did it all at the same time. And the truck and the Krieger worked like a champ. But again, I used a lot of gas to do that. This here, it's clean energy, it's quiet, expect to have no problems with it, expect it to last, many, many years. So, Jackery Solar Saga 200.